Nature Homes is a first-generation enterprise with the vision of creating sustainable and luxurious living spaces into reality. Nature Homes provide a premium economy lifestyle residential home under the Gulmohar projects of Nature Homes. They are creating an eco-friendly lifestyle that displays green features. Gulmohar will be an IGBC certified green building. All their projects are going to be certified green buildings as they aspire to live with nature. Their story has only one hero, that is their customers, and they aim at providing better than the best products which are thoughtfully designed and directed with a vision of premium and value living. Under the guidelines of Mr. Atul Arora, he is providing imaginative and economic infrastructure development to all clients. He is a specialist and generalist both with an appreciable information of national as well as international construction practices around the world. Established in the year 2019, based in Jaipur, Rajasthan, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 500 Startup Awards 2022 for quality excellence goes to Nature Homes.